Hello, my name is Connor Kristovic, and I am a data analytics and informatics here at Florida Gulf Coast University. I'm a senior graduating this spring. Today, I'm going to be talking about how in my future profession I can better the environment and make it greener. As I mentioned, I'm a data analyst, so my future profession will deal a lot with computers as well as technology. So I was wondering at first, how can I better the environment when I'm inside all the time? But after future research, I found a couple of ways that we can do so. One is paperless practice. When you're in an office, a lot of people tend to use paper as a resource. Getting rid of that will sustain the environment and preserving our trees. So adopting that digital documentation and also adopting certain data storage methods can significantly reduce the paper consumption that we will find ourselves facing. Furthermore, energy efficient computing is a key successor to making green the workplace that I'm going to be going into. So utilizing energy efficient hardware and optimizing software to reduce power consumption during data analysis tasks can contribute to a greener approach. This includes selecting energy efficient computers, monitors, servers, as well as optimizing code for efficiency. Also, remote work and telecommuting can give employees an understanding of how the environment is properly benefited from the workplace in a data analytics position. For example, data analysis are often inside, like I mentioned earlier, so employees don't really get to go outside a whole lot when they're on their job. Letting employees work from home or telecommuting half the day, going into the office, half the day being at home or wherever they desire, can really give those employees a appreciation for the environment. You can almost encourage your employees to spend time outside, taking time for their mental health, one, and also time to just be at peace with the environment and what that has presented with them. That can also help reduce carbon emissions from cars from their commute to work and back. So that would be beneficial to the environment for somebody who has a far commute to work each day. Fourth on the list, I would like to talk about sustainable data centers. So wherever possible, choosing data centers powered by renewable energy sources, such as wind or solar, can mitigate the environmental impact of large-scale data processing and storage activities. Personally, big companies usually have big server rooms. Server rooms are powered by big electrical fans, electrical breakers, and that runs a lot of electricity for the company. To elaborate on that, if you cut that out and fill it in with renewable energy sources, such as maybe solar panels, that would save a lot of time, money, and cost for the company, but also the environment, and you'd see a lot of sustainability effects from that. Lastly, data optimization techniques are techniques such as data compression, aggregation, and efficient algorithms. These can reduce the volume of the data that is processed and stored, consequently lowering energy consumption and carbon footprint associated with data storage and processing operations. As you can see, there's a trend. It's very complicated to preserve the environment when you're working in an office all the time. Yet there are ways to do so. One, giving your employees a major understanding of the environment and the benefits that they can find from spending time outside. And also they can also reduce their carbon footprint on this earth by taking the steps that we discussed in this video. My name is Connor. Thank you.